Welcome to this step-by-step guide on adding a button in WordPress without using a plugin. To begin, open your web browser and go to the WordPress website. Once the site loads, look toward the top right corner of the page where you will find the login option. Click on this login option to proceed to the authentication stage. After you click login, you will see an option to continue with Google. Selecting this option simplifies the login process by allowing you to use your existing Google account credentials. Once you click on continue with Google, the system will prompt you to choose the Google account you would like to use. Select the one you normally use or prefer for managing your WordPress site. After successfully signing in with your Google account, the next part of the process involves accessing your site's editing interface. In the WordPress dashboard, locate the section known as Quick Links. Within this section, there is an option labeled Edit Site. By clicking on Edit Site, you will enter the site editor, which allows you to modify the appearance and functionality of your website. Once you are in the site editor, the next step is to select your site within the interface. When you see your site listed, click on it so that you begin the editing process. This action will take you into the editing environment where you have complete control over the various elements on your site. When you are ready to add a new element, look to the top left corner of the editing interface for the plus icon. This plus icon is used to add new blocks and components to your site. Clicking this icon opens a menu of available elements. In the menu that appears, type the word button into the search bar. The search functionality is designed to find the specific elements you need quickly and efficiently. After entering your search term, you will be presented with options that match what you have typed. From these options, select the component named buttons. By choosing the buttons component, you ensure that you are adding the right functionality to your page. Once the button is added, you will notice that a series of editing features appears directly above it. These editing features allow you to customize your button in several ways. You can adjust the text displayed on the button, change the color to match your site's design, and even alter its alignment and spacing. The controls provided are intuitive and designed to make the customization process simple and efficient. As you work with these editing options, take the time to ensure that the button looks and functions exactly as you intend. The real-time preview within the site editor means you can see your changes immediately. This integration of visual editing and functional features removes the need for additional plugins, streamlining the entire process. Following these instructions, you now have a fully functional button added directly to your WordPress site that can be tailored to your exact requirements. Enjoy the advantages of a streamlined site design process using only the built-in tools provided by WordPress.